All right, we're gonna run through one more example just in case you need some extra practice. So this time we've got some guys buying flowers for their garden. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the question. How much does each plant cost? So that's how I'm going to assign my variables. We will say I is the cost of irises. D will be our cost for daffodils. And T will be our cost for tulips. All right, so let's take a look. Bill buys 3 irises plus 2 daffodils plus 5 tulips for a cost of $31. Jackson buys 5 daffodils. Make sure that you get your variables lined up. This time they didn't give it to us in the same order. Plus 3 tulips and 3 irises for $31. And finally we have Trent buying 4 tulips plus 3 irises and 6 daffodils, this time for a total of $36. So looking through, my iris is going to be a very easy variable to eliminate because they all have a coefficient of 3. So I'm going to go ahead and add or subtract my first 2 equations. Again, be careful if you choose to subtract. 2d minus 5d gives me a negative 3d. 5t minus 3t gives me a 2t. And 31 minus 31 gives me 0. So next I'm going to take a look at adding these two together or subtracting them. My i's cancel. 5d minus 6d is negative d. 3t minus 4t is negative t. 31 minus 36 is negative 5. So now in this case, with both my coefficients and the second equation being a negative 1, the d and the t would be fairly easy to eliminate. I'm going to go ahead and eliminate the d. I'm going to multiply this by a positive 3. Adding these two together, my daffodils cancel. I have 5 tulips equals $15, so each tulip costs $3. Substituting back into the red equation because I didn't mess with that one, negative 3 daffodils plus 2 tulips equals 0. Adding the 3 daffodils over and dividing by 2, dividing by 3, I'm getting ahead of myself. My daffodils are worth $2 each. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my purple equation here. So 3 irises plus 6 daffodils at $2 each plus 4 tulips at $3 each gives me $36. Subtracting 24 from both sides and dividing by 3, my irises are $4 each. In this case, I would give the ordered triple in the order that I wrote each of those equations. So I wrote them as iris, daffodil, tulip. So I would write my iris, daffodil, and tulip prices in that order. All right, try this one for class tomorrow.